So once the pump's in the up position, again, we've got our cleaning solution ready to go. We release that twist lock. Again, pull up on the release tab, turn it a quarter turn, and we're out of the drum. The cleaning solution comes with the same fitting to accept the twist lock. So again, we attach that, twist it a corner turn, make sure that locking tab is engaged. Now we can flip this into an inverted position. Isaac, if you want to hold that for me. Then we'll open the valve and we're ready to purge the pump and the lines. Before we turn the pump on, go back to your gun, remove the push to connect manifold, and then we're going to be ready to purge. So Isaac, if you want to flip the pump on. You'll see as the pump, probably increase the speed a little bit on the pump. We see the A side material coming out. The B side's not coming out. We left the valve closed. The B side is not moisture sensitive, so you can leave it in there. We don't need to worry about purging that. What you can see is the line color slowly changing as we purge out that dark amber A side adhesive, and the cleaning solution is kind of a very light yellow amber color. I'm just going to keep purging. Whoops. All right. Pause.